chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, good morning. I think hubby is downstairs cooking. He's making breakfast. Let's go see what he's making. I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. Oh, gotta get my shoes on. Ooh. Say good morning, Mr. Williams. Oh, are you making eggs? Oh guys, he's making his famous eggs. Yeah, he's making the eggs that I actually love. I love when he makes his eggs. But he hardly likes to be in the kitchen and cook. Ooh. What are you making, Mr. Williams? Eggs and what for breakfast this morning?
Can I make egg?
Well, you could sit down and try and make them. Huh? What are you making? I think what is he making? Omelets? Oh look, the kids did the dishes and yet forgot Memphis. Always spray the pot. I don't know, why does the egg smell so raw? You smell it, babe? No man, that is really raw. Oh god. That's why sometimes I get turned off from eggs, because they have that smell so raw. It just makes me not want to eat it. Let me know, guys. Does you guys ever have that when you're making eggs and the place just smells so raw? Like it just kind of turns you off from the eggs? I don't know for me, but yeah. I wonder what they did with the gravy from last night. So yeah, we had takeout for dinner last night. It didn't even end up cooking because girl didn't know what to make for dinner. So I was like, you know what, let's just order something else. And you know what, I probably should have just sat at home and make something, because let me tell y'all, takeout or eat-in, whatever you want to call it, is getting so expensive. Like I don't understand why they're unhealthy food, because we had Mary Brown's last night and it cost like close to $70 just for ordering how much pieces of chicken and 2 large box of taters. Like that is crazy. And that is like grocery. Oh, okay. And you can basically use that money and get yourself groceries to last you at least for a week, because you can buy a bag of rice for like 10 bucks. You could buy, let me see, so they have a pack of chicken breasts which is like $10, $11 at Walmart. You could buy 2 of those for $22. So right there, that's like $30, and that can last for the whole week. And if you buy like you could even buy a bag of potato, and you buy your seasoning, and you have food for a week. And you could buy a bag of flour with that money and some other additional stuff, and that food would last you more than a week, because a bag of flour and a bag of rice lasts you more than a week. So imagine pay $70 in one night for food that you don't really like. Or you could take that $70 and buy stuff and cook it at home, which can last you like a week to 2 weeks. Like that is just crazy. So this is the reason why you guys always see me in the kitchen when I'm vlogging. You always see me cooking. Once in a blue moon, me and hubby go out or we do takeout, because it's expensive. And then nowadays there's just so much things that, boy, you don't even know if you're actually eating beef or you're not eating beef. You generally don't know, because a lot of times now that you find that they're cutting up different meat, and they're using that special glue, and they glue like pieces of different meat and put it together, and they're putting the red dye in it. And when you put your meat to soak in vinegar and water to wash it off, wash off the rawness and stuff like that, all the coloring, everything, and sometimes the meat even look brown, and you're like, does this look healthy? Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys experience that. This is why I like when I'm back home, butcher man right there and then, and your meat is not it's not colored, it's not nothing. You just they kill it, they do whatever, and you get it right there. And it's the same thing with your goat and your chicken. They kill it, you could even watch them kill it, and whatever the case may be. But boy, I don't know what they be selling us nowadays. Oh, sometimes my husband's like, are you sure that's chicken? You sure that's chicken breast? Hold out the breast to look so big. So you guys let me know in the comment below if you guys go to the grocery store and do the same thing. And when you go to the grocery store, where do you get the meat from? From the front of the aisle, or do you go from the back? I always draw my meat from the back. Anything I do, I draw from the back. I tend to read the labels and look at the expiry date. Sometimes you all see they have meat for 50% off. And you see people bagging them up, snacking them up, but those are not the good meat. Those are the meat that are probably expired and been sitting there, and all they do is put a little bit more food coloring in them, and then basically let you guys, and then put them down for 50%, because obviously they don't want to throw it away. They're gonna want to try and get as little money as they can get something back for it. So let me know, do you guys grab your groceries from the first shelf? Do you just take off what you take at the front of the shelf, or do you go behind? I always go behind, because even one day I got milk, and 2 bags of the milk was good, and the one in the middle was actually spoiled. When I went into the fridge, it was like, oh my god, it was disgusting. And it said, like, say it was August 19th, it said it expired. All of them said August 19th, so it would have expired like a week before. Oh, look at this. My chef is cooking. Oh yeah, don't attempt to do this at home, guys. Cooking in the kitchen with no shirt on. This is his regular style back home. We usually cook with no shirt on. But don't attempt to do it, especially when working with oil. Oh, look at this. Nice and perfectly folded. See, you should do this more often. Oh, they say they want to see a cooking series from you, babes.
From me?
Yeah, it's from you. What do you mean, yeah? I will buy some food and you can cook, because you're very good at cooking. I love when you cook. I love seeing a man in the kitchen. Wait a minute. Oh, you don't love when you cook? You can't eat it, but you can eat. Nope. Yes. And that's the other thing too, guys. The reason why he doesn't like cooking a lot, because he says when he cooks, it takes him a while to eat. Do you guys ever do that? I could cook and I can eat right away. It doesn't matter to me. According to him, when he cooks, he cannot eat right away. It takes him a bit of time. But yeah, guys, we're just about to go have some breakfast. Yeah, the kids are still sleeping, so it's just me and hubby is up. We're not sure what we have planned for the day, but I know I want to get out and go do some stuff. So guys, we are heading out. Not sure what we're up to, but we decided that we're gonna go paint the city red. I figured that we will get out of the house and go do something. It is too nice. I'm leaving you. You know, Oscar, you want to come? See, same thing. This is why I don't ask you to go anywhere. This one's ever asking where we're going, and then when we go out, he's like, oh, why you never bring me, and we end up doing something fun. It's because he always wants to stay inside and play Xbox, so I leave him to be. Yeah, guys, so it's us and the girls out. Memphis is staying home because I guess he decided that he just wants to be at home and play games, so. And he doesn't like coming out unless he knows where he's going. So if that be the case, he's always going to stay home. Well, he's old enough anyways. It's not all the time he wants to come out and hang out with us. So we're just heading out. Barbecue. Make a quick pit stop at Burger King so these guys can eat. So they're having, even though they just had breakfast.
Me, I didn't have breakfast.
Yeah, she face long because Risa eating chicken.
She ate my food, I'm pretty sure.
Eating food from last night in dinner after we tell him to go eat. So because
I
of that,
ate my dinner and I left some over to eat.
her face so long.
Oh, this one's your face. Everybody can eat.
Girl, don't play when she comes to her food. Oh Lord. Are some music there? Oh, boy, my love. Yeah, I don't play my food either. You best not. When I put my food down, you better not touch my food. Right? And I'm like that too. I don't like when people touch my things. If you need to have something in mind, ask me. Give me the option to say yes or no. But don't touch my things without permission, and don't touch my damn food.
Yeah, like if Memphis stuck up my burger on bike, me make all of the text you.
Oh gosh, the girl, seriously, her face has been screwed up from morning when she find out that her chicken gone.
Reached the flea market. Time to go get a little shopping done.
So I get to shop.
Do you get to shop? I don't know. We'll see what we find.
Can you hold this for a second? I need to tie this.
Yep, I'm tied up. Oh, look, they got music over there. Finished?
Yeah.
This one just drop on my feet. Oh, it's talented, eh? Sounds so good. Sounds good, eh, babe? Like the air weapon. They just killed that. Ow! They are walking amongst them with that. I wanted to go.
Mommy.
Oh, the other drones. You find anything good?
Look at that one. A big
Yeah, but it's not about the size. It's actually how far it can go up. Is what you
Like
want.
up, like higher than this,
In the air.
higher than this.
Arissa, make sure you're not touching anything, honey.
Yes, Mom?
Make sure you're not touching anything, okay?
I'm just looking at it.
You can look, because if you touch, you buy. Doing a wedding. Oh, that looks so pretty. Where are you guys going? What? Say who? Her hair is so disgusting. Okay. I said I want with I just a blessing. I love you. Babe, getting his haircut. The flea market, trying something different. You pretty snobby.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous.
Been waiting for 2 years. She got her phone, guys.
2 years you've been waiting for it, eh? Spoiled.
Memphis got his first
look
phone
at-
when he was 10.
Happy skippy haircut.
You jealous? I mean,
So-
no, I'm not jealous. But
When you're in
I'm gonna go through and get it set up for her and
it's my favorite.
It's not really purple. It's pink and
no, yeah, it's a mixture, which is nice. We're on our way. I don't know where we're going now. Either home or gonna go do something else. As usual. Oh, I gotta get my phone charged. Gotta plug in a charger. Yeah, guys. So yeah, we were in there for a good while. And Happy and his spiffy haircut. Hey, babe. So did he cut it like the way you like it or not really? Oh, I want to know, is it the way you usually got your hair cut? Yes? No? Maybe so?
Yes, no, maybe so.
No, man, that's what I ask you. Eh?
whoop or maybe baby.
You can tell me. So I'm not get it.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks higher.
But out of all the people then that have done your hair, who you think like actually did your hair the best? Okay. All right. So I guess he's gonna figure it out when he gets home. He'll know which barber has cut his hair the best. So far, he's had what, three or four different barber cut his hair since he's been here. So he's been actually looking for a good barber to actually that can cut his hair like his regular barber that he had back home for years. Because when he went home, he went straight to him, and you know he felt so nice and fresh. Being able to get his hair, he didn't even have to tell him. He just still knew how to cut his hair the way he likes it. So we will see. Oh, we are on our way home, and these two crazies in the back.
I know.
Nothing better to do more than be silly. Yeah, guys. Well, I can say we had a good day, a good little outing. So, but I'm not sure what we are about to do next. We might just end up going home, and who knows. The day is still early, still got plenty of time. So, yeah, I guess we will probably check in when we reach our next destination.
You nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, we don't know it. You know my baby. We can go and ask her right under the boot.
Guys, so we just end up reaching home now, and we're probably just going to hang out for a bit, and maybe we will go out later and play some pool. Well, I don't know how to play pool, but I guess I'm gonna go watch. Well, yeah, I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to learn. It's a learning process, but yeah. So we're just gonna hang out for now. I think probably for dinner, I don't even know what we're doing for dinner. Probably just make some porridge. Yeah, my hubby's gonna make his famous cornmeal porridge, which I love. So I'm excited for that. I haven't had that in a while. So yeah, that's probably all that we're doing, and just chillaxing. Hey guys, so it's what, 10 o'clock at night. I'm here editing some vlogs and also watching TV. Don't mind my face, it's oily. And hubby just made me some porridge in bed. So I'm actually just sitting here and having some porridge in bed. And of course, this one's over here. She's over there on her tablets as usual. The other ones, the rest are somewhere around in this house. So I'm just here, just editing, because I'm editing my vlog for that to go up just now. So by the time you guys see this video, this vlog should be up actually. So that is what I am currently doing. So yeah, that is all we are doing for the day. I just wanted to come by and close off the vlog to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and